Hi Stallions! Today we're going to play a Stretchy the Word Snake game. Let's get started. Alright, I'm going to look at the first letter and get my mouth ready. Am. What's the word? Am. Good job. Let's try another word. Get ready to stretch it out. At. What's my word? At. Great job. It. What's my word? It. Is. What's my word? Is. Great job. All of these words had two sounds. Let's see if we can do some words with three sounds. Am. What's my word? Sam. App. What's my word? Sap. App. App. What's the word? Map. Great job. Get your mouth ready. B. A. T. B. A. T. What's my word? Bat. Great job. Get your mouth ready. A. T. A. T. What's my word? Mat. K. A. T. K. A. T. Cat. S. A. T. S. A. T. What's my word? Sat. S. It. S. It. What's my word? Sit. Great job reading words that have three letters. Are you ready for the next stage? Guess how many letters my next words will have. Not two, not three, but four. Dun, dun, dun. All right, it's getting a little bit more challenging. See if you can help me figure out our words. Get ready to stretch them out and blend them together. Get your mouth ready. App. App. Maps. Get your mouth ready. Am. Am. What's my word? Spam. Get your mouth ready. K. A. T. S. K. A. T. S. What's my word? Cats. Get your mouth ready. B. A. T. S. B. A. T. S. Bats. A. T. S. A. T. S. Mats. One more word. Let's see if we can do it. S. P. I. T. S. P. It. Spit. Great job stretching out those words, boys and girls. Give yourself a pat on the back.